We've made the Reorder Report even better. When you go to the Reorder Report, you'll notice that there are some exciting additions, which I'll run you through now. A couple of the default column names have changed to make things easier to see at a glance. Suggested Reorder is now Suggested Replenishment. On Transfer is now Outgoing Transfer, and there's a new Incoming Transfer column. We've also added plus and minus symbols, like these, to make stock movement even clearer. If you can't see these changes, don't worry. Simply click on Show Toolbar and then on Hidden Columns. And don't forget, you can always reset the grid back to your preferred custom grid if desired. There's a new filter option allowing you to run the report by product type. You can filter by assembled or component products. From here you can click on the all-new Bulk Actions cog, allowing you to create assemblies to replenish your stock levels, create purchases to give you greater flexibility, and create transfers, enabling you to move stock to where it is needed in your business. These can all be completed in just a couple of clicks. We hope you love the new additions to our best Reorder report yet. Thanks for watching.